to be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. Dear student, today I am taking your topic, that is the reported speech. There are two more names of this topic: direct and indirect speech, the narration. Thus, there are three names: the reported speech, the narration, and direct and indirect speech. And I am taking your first rule. In first rule, we have to know there are two parts of the speech. In first part, there is a speaker, reporter. In second part, there is the report, what has been reported by the subject. Therefore, we have to know two parts, means first one, reporting verb part. Second one, that is reported speech, has been reported by the subject, by the reporter. In your first rule, if the reporting verb that is in present tense or in future tense, we don't change the tense of the reported speech. Again, if the reporting verb is in present tense or in future tense, we don't change the tense of the reported speech. In present tense, Raman says, Radha is dancing. Raman says, comma, inverted comma begin, and Radha is dancing, full stop, comma close. Raman says there is no object. In reporting verb part, there are three words, three parts. First one is subject, then reporting verb, and then object. Raman says, in this there is no object. If there is Raman says to me, then Raman is subject, says is reporting verb, and me is object. And only Raman says, there is no object. There is only subject, Raman says. Then there will not be any change in the reporting verb. It means Raman says that Radha is dancing, no change in the tense, full stop. If Raman says to me, comma, in comma begin, Radha is dancing, full stop, comma close, Raman tells me. When there is object, says is changed into tells, that Radha is dancing. They say, there is no object. The students played football in the playground. They say that the students played football in the playground. They say to me, there is object. Then say is changed into tell. They tell me that the students played football in the playground. There is no change in the tense of the reported speech. This is your present tense. In future tense, Raman will say, Radha is dancing. Raman will say, there is no object, then there will be no change in say. Raman will say that Radha is dancing. Raman will say to me, Radha is dancing. Raman will tell me. Say will be tell, that Radha is dancing. In plural number also, they will say, the students played football in the playground. They will say, no change. Why? Because there is no object. The students played football in the playground. They will say to me, the students played football in the playground. They will tell me that the students played football in the playground. I took your present tense, I took your future tense and told you that there is no change in the tense of the reported speech. There may be different types of sentences. When the reporting verb is in present tense, the reported speech may be in interrogative sentence. Then there will be change as per the rule of interrogative sentences. Today in this video I am taking only your introduction and first rule. If there is the reporting verb in present tense or in future tense, then we don't change the tense of the reported speech. Okay students, thank you very much.